So what differentiates a standard air conditioner system to a heat pump? The main aspect of it is the heat pump uses refrigeration as another source of heating. And there's an internal component here with the condenser called a reversing valve. That reversing valve allows air conditioning to then switch over, meaning that it reverses the properties of AC into now heating. So with that being said, this homeowner went ahead and invested in a dual fuel. They're still going to have a standard furnace inside the home and now having another source of heating from this heat pump system.